Welcome to Little Crochet Moments. My name is Mary. In this tutorial, I'll show you 3 different ways to make a slip knot. The hook method. Wrap the yarn around your index and middle finger like this. Turn your hand over and wrap the yarn under your pinky. Slide your hook under the first strand and hook the second strand. Pull the second strand under the first strand to create a new loop. Pull the yarn off your fingers. Adjust the new loop by pulling on both the working yarn and tail end until you can easily slide the yarn up and down the hook. If it feels too tight, just pull the working yarn to loosen the loop around your hook. And there's your slip knot. The finger method. Wrap the yarn around your index and middle finger. Pinch the yarn at the X with your thumb. Slide the yarn off your fingers while holding on with both your thumb and index finger. Grab the yarn with your fingers and pull it through the loop. Insert your hook and pull on both the working yarn and tail end to secure the slip knot around the hook. The table method. Lay the yarn in the shape of a circle. Grab the yarn and pull up a new loop. Secured by pulling on both the working yarn and tail end. For more in-depth tutorials on how to make a slip knot, click the link in the video. If you found this video helpful, it would really help my channel if you press like and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching!